How to play Fortnite with two players on the same console Nintendo Switch. Hey everyone, this is Sophia from Create Logging and Lead. In this video, we are addressing whether you can play Fortnite with two players on a single Nintendo Switch console. Many players are familiar with the split screen feature available on console like Xbox or PlayStation, which allows two players to play on the same screen. Unfortunately, this feature doesn't work on the Nintendo Switch. Typically, on other console, you can simply start the game with the main controller, then connect a second controller and assign it to another account for split screen play. However, due to Nintendo Switch hardware limitation, it cannot run two instances of Fortnite simultaneously, which means split screen play isn't possible on this platform. As of now, this functionality is exclusive to PlayStation and Xbox consoles. Epic Games has not introduced split screen support for the Nintendo Switch. This video aims to clarify the situation and ensure that Switch players are correctly informed about the current state of Fortnite's play option on their console. Hope you find this information helpful. Please consider liking this video and subscribing for more straightforward and helpful game tips. Thank you for watching.